I have something really exciting to share with you. That is that your blueprint is already within you. The greatest thing you have to offer the world is already there. God put it in you before you were born. So you no longer have to feel like you've got to go searching for something else outside of you to either gain value or to prove you are valuable. The first step is to dive within and figure out exactly what you've been given. What is that blueprint all about? So that's where you bring in the excavators. The blueprint process practitioners are excavators. And the blueprint process is the process of excavating, removing the dirt, layers and layers of dirt that have been piled on you over time with other people's expectations, or maybe a sense of obligation, or maybe you just feeling like you should do things in a certain way. We got to get rid of all of that to uncover the beauty that is within, the structure that is already there. That's what's so exciting to me, is that you have like gold within you right now. And we can find it. Not only find it, but start to use it in your world. And all it takes is an uncovering. If you think about archaeologists who find a dig, they do a dig, of some ancient building. They slowly, carefully remove the dirt and uncover the structure that has been there for centuries. Well, your structure has been there for an eternity. What better way to make an impact, to leave an impact on the world, than to go back to that, return to that, and just be that? It makes your life so simple and yet so profound, so effortless and yet so full of impact. It's amazing what knowing your blueprint can do for you, let alone the world. So super cool. So here's what I need you to do. I need you to trust. Not only trust us and the blueprint process to find that building, that blueprint within, but trust your maker for creating you with such an infinite design. And trust yourself that you are the embodiment of that design. That's what the blueprint process can do for you. And I look forward to getting to know your blueprint and helping you unleash it on the world.